Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Bolt driver application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Bolt driver and start your search. Now from the search results, tap on the Bolt driver application from Bolt Technology, and now you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Bolt driver application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button you can tap on it to open up the Bolt app on your device. Once the app is opened up, you can proceed with logging into your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start using the Bolt driver app on your device and start earning right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bolt driver application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.